looking at the scope of Ford Otosan's battery production project, can you explain what it is you currently manufacture at the Kayseri plant in terms of PHEV and EV batteries?
Okay. Hello, all. First of all, I would like to mention that first of all, Ford Otosan has two different plants in Kocaeli, Turkey, as Gölcük and Yeniköy. And from those plants, we are producing transit and transit custom commercial vehicles. Currently, we have a 3P BEV battery pack production line to produce 3P BEV battery packs to e-transit vehicle. E-transit vehicle has 350 kilometer range and also 67 kilowatt hour capacity. This is our current serial production battery assembly line. However, we have been installing a new battery assembly line currently. The capacity is 120,000 per year. With that battery assembly line, we will be producing BEV and PHEV battery packs with different complexities for new transit custom vehicle.